Hi everybody, my name is Kaitlynn and I'm going to teach you how to do paper airplanes, and this is the one that I already did before and I'm going to show you how to make it. So you fold it in half first, and you are going to need a nice and smooth place to do this. Okay, so it's going to look like this, half folded longways. And it's going to look like an open book. Then you fold the corners in like this. And make sure to do that on each side. Okay, and then you fold it again like this. So it'll look like this. And then the last step you can do is fold the sides. And then that's how you make a paper airplane. And you can color it if you want. And you can see that I have a whole thing of colored pencils right here. And if you can see it right here, I did some flames and KB. Okay, if you guys like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe down low. And thanks for watching. Bye!
Who did your makeup?
Huh?
Who did your makeup?
Oh, I did.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you.